Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, No Chefs here. Today is March 8th, so congratulations and happy Women's Day to all the ladies. Hope you're well. So, as the title suggests, I'm making pig ears on this episode. If you haven't had them before, you know how the cartilage and the end of the chicken wing joint feels like crunchy? Well, the whole pig ear is like this, except for, of course, it's covered with pork skin. Very straightforward to cook, fun to eat, very delicious, low carb, and it's rich with collagen, which our body produces less and less as we get older. So without further delay, let's jump into it, and I will comment while we cook. Also, all of the ingredients and measurements are down in the description box below. So here's everything that I will be using for today's recipe. Got a couple of green onions. And this is a fresh orange peel. Compared to my hand, just this much. Got a quarter of yellow onion, 5 cloves garlic. Got about 7 chili peppers, dry chili peppers to your taste, perfectly adjustable. Here's about 13 grams of fresh ginger. Regular light soy sauce, 7.5 tablespoons. Shao Xing cooking wine, 3 tablespoons. Brown sugar, 30 grams or 2 tablespoons. And this, see the different color? That is 5 spice, a half teaspoon, which looks like this, and you can buy this in most regular grocery stores. And before I proceed, I would like to kind of talk about this a little bit. So braising like this, I've made videos before on my channel. There was a beef tripe, there were duck wings, there were pig tongues, and I think some chicken wings too. And I used this 5 spice. And the common suggestion among those videos that I've noticed was to use star anise. Maybe I did not come across clear enough, but I'm using Chinese 5 spice. Already contains anise, and then in addition you have fennel, cinnamon, cloves, and black pepper. So it has more flavor than just using star anise. Of course, I'm open to learn new things, so if you truly use Chinese 5 spice and additional star anise, please do let me know. But I think to me, that is just fine. Of course, the star of the show, I've got 3 pig ears. I washed in just cold water, you know, just paying attention to all of the details. Basically, I inspect for any kind of hair that might be remaining, and then you can just pluck them off or use a one-time razor, just shave. But local Chinese market is outstanding. Excellent job. They're very fresh, clean. You can set those ears to boil for 10 minutes and meanwhile prepare vegetables. In my case, I'm going to start with those because, you know, this is where I cook and this is where I film. That's just my choice. I think I'm gonna save these couple green ones for garnish. Just open them up to help with the flavor. And then I like to get the juice started. Yellow onion. And you can, you know, pick them apart for easier distribution. Garlic. When you smash garlic, it helps you peel. And also makes it flat, so it doesn't roll around when you cut, much safer. Very rough chop, because this is for braising. You don't even have to, you can just cut them in like larger pieces. The ginger, skin on, is okay for now because this is for braising. Let's help it start on the flavor a little bit. So the first step is going to be dedicated to cleaning them further, okay? Just get a big enough pot, high enough to submerge in water. And I bet I can do a better job making them flat by cutting this. Please note, cold ears and cold water, so that they will come to temperature at the same time. Once the boiling begins, okay, I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes. See you soon. 10 minutes in, let's take a look. Careful. See? Beautiful, right? Well, not really, but just you wait. Okay, it's not so bad, right? But all these impurities I want to wash, and I want to wash the pot. So let's go drain it. Got my cold-ish water running, and go in. So just wash them very well. Nice and clean. Gonna give this pot a wash as well. I'm going to break this orange peel, distribute like this. Onion. Go in with garlic. I want to be able to taste some heat, so break peppers, and if you just want the flavor, leave them whole. Ginger goes in. The onion, or rather green onion. The ears are kind of warm, so I have kind of warm water. Try to have water temperature close to the ears, kind of like in the beginning, so that they will come to a boil and the temperature at the same time. 4 cups soy sauce, Shao Xing cooking wine, and the brown sugar with 5 spice. Heat on high. So everything is coming up to a boil. I'll give it final mix, making sure that nothing is, sticking together, the sugar's dissolved, stuff like that. The smell is amazing. All right. Cover, heat to simmer, and now that it's simmering, we have about an hour to go. Sometimes more, but in an hour mark I will be back. We'll check this. Almost forgot, as this water evaporates, the seasoning will become more concentrated, so check on it once in a while and add just plain hot water to make sure that all of the ears are covered. We're halfway to 1 hour mark, and that's the kind of simmer I'm having here. And I want to say that once in a while I'll just give it kind of like a shake like this to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. We are 1 hour in. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Look how easily the chopstick go through the whatever small amount of meat there is. And now is the bite test. It's gonna be hot. Oh my gosh. So now I'm just gonna remove into this bowl and let them cool a little bit. So now we just chop in small, thin strips. The last thing that I want to do is totally optional. I want to add some of this chili oil. You can use sesame oil as well. Don't even need to use oil. You know what? You can just eat straight away. But, I mean, come on. Look how beautiful this is. I can't wait. So excited. Here we go. Super excited for this. It's good. If you follow this recipe, these are a little bit spicy. which is great for me. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching as always, and until next time, I wish you nothing but the best.